An unusually powerful early season snowstorm swept across Illinois and Indiana overnight into Monday, transforming communities along Lake Michigan into a frozen landscape. The storm arrived with remarkable intensity for early November, producing near whiteout conditions, school closures, and treacherous travel across multiple counties. Meteorologists describe the event as one of the most significant early lake effect snow outbreaks in recent years, a stark reminder that winter can strike the Midwest suddenly and with little warning.